Hey everyone, it's Eric Morosco with Performance Distinctive Marketing and the Espresso to Go show. Welcome back. It's been a little while since I've done some shows. I got kind of burnt out. I was kind of tired of doing the shows, and a lot of clients have been asking, what's going on with the shows? We enjoyed them. So I thought I'd bring one back. I met with a vendor yesterday, and they introduced me some new mid-year products, and I thought a couple of them were kind of neat, and I want to share them with you guys. I'm going to try not to go too fast, but if you've watched my shows before, you know I get excited and we rock and roll. So first thing is, they're called pulse products, pulse lighting products, and these pieces light up. And the first one I want to show you quickly is it's a zipper pull. The zipper pull, and a little on-off switch you can turn on and off, but as it moves and moves around, it lights up. Put in your jacket, put in your key ring, so if women can put on their keys for their purse, drops in their purse, they can easily find their keys. There's a lot of places, backpacks and places you can put it. I think these are great for sporting events, sporting programs. I'm looking at my cheat sheet here, so I apologize. They're 100-piece minimum. They're $2.49 each, so they're not too big of a budget buster, if you will. But great for anybody who's got affinity again for your brand. I think people want to wear this and show it, utilize it. Especially if you're doing 5K runs, youth groups, campus programs, things of that nature. Same exact thing, same exact ways to utilize it is the pull that goes on your shoelaces. So for runners, walkers, bikers, anybody that does anything athletic, I think these are great. Again, if you put your logo on there, have some affinity for your brand, I think people enjoy these. And again, these are exactly pretty much the same price point, 100-piece minimum, the $249 range. So I think these are two great little products that I think we can think of some fun things to utilize these for and not be a huge budget buster. A nice giveaway that you can do a lot of that people will have fun with. One item that I utilize a lot, I think people now with there's so many technology products we have, and I've talked about technology products in other shows, is the first thing is the USB mobile car charger. Essentially you have the cigarette lighter connector here, it goes right into your car. Actually, I'm not even sure they call it cigarette lighter thing anymore. I'm just the power adapter in your car. But I call it old school cigarette lighter. So it slides in there. The other side you got a USB adapter. Your logo goes on the side. I think people, when they get a gift like this, they appreciate something they can utilize often. I'm always for gifts that people will perceive when they get them that they can utilize and not just be something that is just for an event, like maybe this might be just for an event. I think something like this can be utilized a lot more. These are $1.72, so they're not hugely expensive. You're looking at 100-piece minimum, so I think these are something that people are going to receive, get, use, and like a lot. So anyway, those are a couple products that I'm bringing out and want to show people. If you mention the show, I'm going to do a special. When you call me, tell me, and I'll let you know what that special is for you. And as I always like to say, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, and if you can always find me at www.ericmorosco.com. Thanks for watching the Espresso to Go show, and look for some more shows here in the near future. Thanks, and make it a great one.